Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-38C, the Reverser Quadrant Arm Keeper for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-38C, Reverser Quadrant Arm Keeper, which we'll be using this. So we're going to save as, just make sure it saves. Save as, part C, I said, didn't I? Yep, part C. Okay, so let's pop on the, actually let's pop on this side. Normal 2. Save C, yes we did. Let's go into this one here. We can delete that one. Delete that one because we don't need that anymore. I'll delete that one too, yep. Delete that one. Delete that one. Nope, not that one. Delete that one. Oh, wrong one. Okay, do not touch that one. Do not touch that one. Okay. So, that one stays. That can go. Okay. So now let me just check something on this. Where are we? 140. Yep, that's correct. Let me go out of that. I just want to make sure. So we start from this point here again. So we go to sketch. We want the 3.1 there. We're going to go from there to there to there to there. That doesn't matter what size it is. I'll show you what I'm doing shortly. But right now, this here will be 124 radius. Oh, these two should be joined. There we go. Bring that one across a bit more. And bring that one down. We just want all this covered because we just want this piece here. That's what we want. So, okay, so now we go to feature, extrude, through all, second direction, through all, and okay. There we go. That's what we want. Now, we haven't finished yet. Normal 2. Just save that. This has got to be 8 mil all round. So that should be 8 to 8 there. So if we go to, where are we? Fillet. Will this work like this? It's got to be 8. Yeah, this works. Okay. There you go, perfect. Okay, that worked out perfect. I thought it was going to be a bit more hard than that, but it worked out good. We go back and edit. We go back and open that up. Add that one too. There we go. That is that piece done. That's all we need because the holes there, these all match up. So that way we don't have to remake this and we know we're going to be correct. We're not going to be out. So that's that piece done. So that's part 1-38 done. 1-38C done. So very short episode. So if you enjoyed the episode, click the like button. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Got any comments, suggestions, whatnot, leave them below. I'll get back to you. And thank you for coming along. And I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.